एक नोटिफिकेशन आया। हाय सौम्या। Who is this? Yeah, I was running since morning, Sonali. Hi, hello everyone. Good afternoon. Hello Aparna ji. Hello everyone. हेलो मीना जी। हेलो शशि रेखा। It's so good to see that I'm live and within a second so many of you are live. It feels really good. Good afternoon मीना जी। क्लैरिटी है। फोन देखा। हाय अलीशा। हाय अमूल्या। ओह हाय शशि रेखा। Still, I'll tell you something. It's really disappointing because sometimes we in a group we have more than 200 people, and when it comes for the live session, there's only 45-50 people live. So sometimes it's really disheartening also. Hi Madhurya baby, how are you? Sinchana, okay. Hi Pihu. Today's article is this mosaic tray. I'm going to tell you how to do this mosaic tray. I'm not taking tray as a base. I'm going to take this box as a base. I'm good Madhurya. Hi ईशा। युक्ता मुझे वो वुडन ट्रे भी दे दे उधर से प्लेन वाला। Yeah, hi Sinchana. Very unique name. It feels really good. Within few minutes, so many people have taken out time and came live to see my videos. बहुत अच्छा लगता है. Good afternoon प्रस्तुति. How are you? How are you baby? It feels really good to see all of you live. But again, it's really disappointing. I should not say that here because I know people are not here, they're not watching my video. But see, in the group of 200 people, only I can see 50 people live. Sometimes it's really disheartening. But a big thank you to all of you who have taken out time for me and came live. Thank you so much. Okay, so today's article is this mosaic tray. We are not going to make this entire mosaic tray because it will take a lot of time. So I'm just going to tell you a small pattern on this small box. And I would really like to say that you all have given me a beautiful submission for that diary. Amazing. People have made their own stencils, own flowers. I can't say. I mean, it was so impressive. Really, it was really impressive. The jeans diary, somebody has made this jeans flower also. Very impressive. Especially the part of stenciling. You tried creating your own stenciling. Very nice. Hello Ashwini. Thank you so much Sonali. Hello Kamala ji. Hi Prerna. Hello everyone. Okay. We'll wait for one more minute and then we'll start. And I must say, all your submissions are really nice. Yeah, Sonali made those jeans flower. Very innovative, Sonali. No, Ashwini, please don't go. We'll just start in 2 minutes. Don't go, please. Okay, now tell me. This is our article. I've already sent you the picture for this. If somebody wants me, I got few messages that the printout has not come out well. So if you want, I can mail you also for the same. You just do one thing, send me your mail ID on WhatsApp. I'll just, because even I've scanned this picture from one of the Fevi Art magazine. This was my Fevi Art magazine from where actually I have scanned the picture. Thank you so much Prerna. Thank you so much. It really means a lot. So, एक तो ये light कम कर थोड़ा सा. पर्दा खींच. So I have taken out this. Video is blur. Is it? Check your connection because here on the other phone I can see it's very clear. Pooja. Hi Vasudha ji. Please check your connection because here I can see that my video is very clear and I have full network also. So this is the pattern paper I actually picked up from one of the Fevi Art magazine. I have already sent you the picture. I actually scanned this and I have already sent you this. If still your printout is not coming well, you can just I can just mail you. That's completely fine if you want to use the same paper. If you want to have your own set of papers, it's completely fine. You can choose your own set of papers. You can download things from Google Image. From where did I get this book? See, we are Fevicryl teachers, so actually we get these books from company itself. We have the subscription, so we get it from company. You can go to hobbyideas.in and you can check the subscription there. Pihu, please check your connection. You know what? It's very clear on the second phone. Okay, girls, tell me, is my video clear? or not? Hi Ashwini, please tell me my video is clear. Am I audible properly? Please reply fast so that I can start. Okay, thank you Dipti. So today's article is this mosaic deco patch. Lot of you have actually done deco patch from tissue paper. So yeah, it's HOBBY, hobby ideas, IDES, ideas.in. Hobby ka spelling is wrong, you can check there for the subscription. So what I was telling you, a lot of people must have done deco patch from tissue paper, but this is the easiest way because print out of your choice and then just do the deco patch. Deco patch is basically sticking the pattern paper sheet, so that, and generally earlier when we started we have started with the floral टिश्यू पेपर्स. तो जब हम लोग वो स्टिक करते थे तो वो ऐसा लगता था कि हम लोगों ने उसको पेंट किया है इन सच अ क्लियर वे. सो लॉट ऑफ टाइम इट हैपेंस दैट यू आर नॉट गुड इन पेंटिंग बट यू वांट टू क्रिएट सम मास्टरपीसेस. सो दिस इज द यूनिक वे. डेकोपैच इज अ वेरी वेरी यूनिक वे टू make any of your article, the oldest article also, in a very new way. Just need to paint it and do the decoupage. Yeah, it's hobbyideas.in. You're right. So hi Dipti, hi everyone. So today what I have done is I have taken this old metal box. This I got it in Indigo Flight. So what I did is I have colored it with black color. This is Fevicryl black acrylic color. When you are doing it on tray, so you can just paint it directly. But when you are doing it on metal, then what happened? It has the tendency to peel off. See, you have a tendency that it will peel off. So if you don't to peel off very easily, what you can do is either do the sponge dabbing, else the best thing I'll tell you, coat it with Fevicol first. Coat it with Fevicol, let it dry completely and then apply color. Then your metal article won't peel off. Yeah, this is a wooden tray. See, this is my MDF wooden tray. Decoupage can be done on all the surfaces, metal, wood, plastic, anything. Okay, so let's start. This is my pattern paper which I have taken out the printout for this, and let me just set the camera and then I'll tell you. Just tell me if I am visible properly. So this is my pattern paper. What I'm gonna do is I'll just mark the size कि मुझे कितना बड़ा इसमें से चाहिए. So what I'm gonna do is I think I'm gonna take this portion. So taking the center, I'm going to mark it and cut this portion. फेविकॉल MR भी चलेगा और A+ भी चलेगा जब आप इसको आप कोट कर रहे हो ऑन द मेटल बॉक्स. But it is only for the metal and plastic. Don't do it on wooden thing. Yeah, you can आराम से do it on Amazon का and Flipkart boxes also. I did a lot on the chips boxes also. वो जो लंबे वाले chips boxes आते हैं ना, तो chips boxes are very good for keeping ब्रशेस. सो मैंने मेरे प्रिंगल के बॉक्सेस को और चिप्स के बॉक्सेस को भी मैंने काफ़ी ज़्यादा डेकोपैच कर करके रखा था, because I just don't like throwing things, so I always try creating something out of it. Okay, let me just tell you what is mosaic, because we are learning a mosaic pattern today. So what is mosaic? Mosaic is a pattern or image made up of a small regular or irregular piece of colored stone, glass or ceramic, हेल्प इन बाय द प्लास्टर. तो आपने जनरली है ना जो मोजाइक देखा होगा, इट इज़ डन जनरली ऑन द वॉल्स एंड द फ्लोर्स टू क्रिएट सम काइंड ऑफ आर्ट पीसेस, एंड इट हैज़ एक्चुअली स्टार्टेड लॉन्ग बैक. एंशियंट रोमन वर्ल्ड में वो स्टार्ट हुआ था लॉन्ग बैक. सो दिस कंसेप्ट, मोजाइक कंसेप्ट, इज एक्चुअली यूज्ड a long back, and it has started from Rome. So mosaic क्या होता है? Mosaic is a pattern or image made up of small regular or irregular piece of colored stone, glass or ceramic. But now today we are creating that effect with the help of. So what I'm gonna do is, for this, ये normal print out है जो मैंने आपको एक इमेज सेंड किया था, ये उसका रेगुलर प्रिंट आउट है. ओके प्रियंका, नो प्रॉब्लम, आई टेल यू इन हिंदी. मोजाइक पैटर्न क्या होता है? मोजाइक पैटर्न जो क्रिएट होता है वो आपने कभी फ्लोर्स पे, वॉल्स पे देखा होगा, छोटे छोटे पत्थरों को, स्टोन्स को एक कोई पैटर्न, कांच को पैटर्न्स में कट करते हैं और एक कोई डिज़ाइन बनाते हैं, तो दैट इज़ कॉल्ड मोजाइक पैटर्न. बहुत कॉमनली वो हम लोगों के छत पे किया जाता है, और टाइल्स के पीसेस या स्टोन के पीसेस रखे जाते हैं और उसको सीमेंट से फिल कर दिया जाता है, तो दैट इज़ कॉल्ड मोजाइक पैटर्न. सो ये सेम चीज़ हम लोग अभी पेपर से करेंगे, और हम लोग एक छोटे से बॉक्स पे कर रहे हैं. हियर आई हैव शोड यू द ट्रे, हियर आई एम गोना डू इट ऑन छोटा सा मेटल बॉक्स. सो जब आप मेटल बॉक्स के ऊपर कर रहे हो, तो मेटल बॉक्स पे क्या होता है, आप जब कलर करते हो तो इट हैज़ अ टेंडेंसी कि वो पील ऑफ हो जाता है, वो ऐसे निकल जाता है, एक परत ऐसे निकल जाती है. तो उसके लिए आपको पहले फेविकॉल से कोट कर लीजिए. फेविकॉल पूरा देंगे तो फिर वो कलर पील ऑफ नहीं होगा. और ये जो है आप करते हो, ये मेटल के लिए ही करिए या प्लास्टिक बॉटल के ऊपर करिए. नो नीड टू डू इट फॉर फेविकॉल का जो कोटिंग मैं आपको प्राइमरी बता रही हूँ, वो आपको वुड पे करने की बिल्कुल भी ज़रूरत नहीं है. या इट इज़ डन ऑन टेरेस, छत है. सो दिस पैटर्न, इफ यू कैन सी इट केयरफुली, यहाँ पर ऑलरेडी एक पैटर्न बना हुआ है जहाँ पे ब्लैक लाइन्स मार्क किए हुए हैं. So I will not do much here. ये नॉर्मल प्रिंट आउट पेपर है. दीज आर नॉट टिश्यू पेपर और प्रॉपर डेकोपैच पेपर्स. दीज आर मेरे कलर प्रिंट आउट प्रिंटर पे बहुत आराम से निकाला है. एंड फॉर स्टिकिंग दिस आई एम गोइंग टू यूज दिस वेरी नाइस ग्लू, फेविक्रिल मॉच ग्लू. इट कम्स इन ग्लॉस. So I'm gonna stick this here. Okay, I was so lost teaching today that I just forgot to give my introduction also to the people who are new here. Okay, friends, I am Megha Gindodia. I am Fevicril certified professional. I am working with Fevicril company from last 11 years as a freelancer, and I have started my career as a folk artist. I do a lot of crafting from national and international brand. So this is just a small introduction, and I just want to say thank you to the Pidilite team, because they have given us such a good opportunity to come online and take classes with you. But please please please, I just have a request कि अगर आप submissions time पे नहीं दोगे, we are not paid if you don't give submissions on time. So please, if we are taking out so much of time, we just expect you and give your submissions on time. And आपके सबमिशन के दिन ही मैं आपको सर्टिफिकेट देती हूँ. वो सर्टिफिकेट आप सेम डे डाउनलोड करिए. अगर वो आप लेट से डाउनलोड कर रहे हैं, देन इट्स नॉट इन माई हैंड, आई कैन नॉट डू एनीथिंग. सो या दिस इज अ नॉर्मल प्रिंट आउट पेपर. मैंने भी प्रिंट आउट निकाल लिया है. ओके Okay, thank you so much, and let me start now. So this is the thing I have cut for this. अब इसमें अगर आप देखोगे ध्यान से तो ये ढक्कन के साइड में जगह है. So I'm gonna stick it here also. So मैंने इसका प्लेटफॉर्म इतना बड़ा है और आपको डेको पैच मोजाइक पैटर्न में करना है, तो आप थोड़ा कम कट करो. बट आई ऑलरेडी हैव दिस स्पेस ऑन ऑल 4 साइड्स, सो आई एम गोइंग टू आई हैव कट इट इन दिस प्रॉपर फुल शेप. So for that I'm gonna take this Fevicryl Mod Podge glue, which is very good, and it is only for 150 rupees 120 ml. If you go and buy any other Mod Podge glue, it is really expensive, guys. Any international brand, it's very expensive. And Fevicryl is the only Indian brand who has started with this Mod Podge glue. Other people are just exporting it from outside. Will be those who will be attending the session till end. I am going to tell you one more trick. If you don't have Mod Podge, I'll just tell you one nice tip also. But for that you have to stay connected till the end of my video, and I won't be repeating that. So this is the center of my so I've taken out a bit of Mod Podge here, and see, now when I'm sticking, I'm just leaving a bit of gap here. जैसा आप मोजाइक okay, so sorry. I just hope it's clear now. Is it clear now? युक्ता इधर बैठना. मुझे पॉइंट करते जाती हूँ तो कट करते जाओ. Is it clear, visible properly now? It's a normal sticking with Mod Podge, leaving the gap equal. Dipti, you're not on my WhatsApp group. Please join my WhatsApp group also for a better update actually. It's just a normal sticking. Can you see it? But I'm leaving a bit of gap everywhere. And yeah, one more thing I would like to talk about. There are people who are giving me amazing submissions. But again, it's really disappointing to see people who are giving submissions without taking an effort. They just wanted to do the submission and get the certificate. I think that is their only motto. So they are giving me not very good submissions. Yeah, I'm taking the help of my assistant for cutting so that I can just tell you a little quick. You must be wondering from where I'm getting these cut pieces. Yeah, I'm taking the help of my assistant so that I could just finish it little fast and show you the entire technique. Yeah, so I was talking about people who are giving me these submissions, but it's not, I mean, they're not even taking effort to do it. They're just sending it because they have to send something to get the certificate, and they are the people who are asking me for the certificate also again and again. So I am really expecting a good submissions. A lot of you are actually taking a lot of effort, but there are people who are not taking any effort for giving me the submissions. Really disappointing. Okay, so when you are sticking it, make sure आपका glue बहुत अच्छे से लगा हुआ हो. The glue should be very properly put on the base. अगर वो नहीं होगा तो the color, the paper will pop like this. So you have to make sure that when you are putting it, when you are sticking it, apply a good amount of glue for the sticking, because अगर glue proper तरीके से, ये Mod Podge glue proper तरीके से नहीं लगा हुआ होगा तो वो So how many people who have not got Mod Podge glue? Can you just tell me? So if you can see, I'm just sticking the paper and doing nothing else. I'm sticking the paper and leaving the gaps in between to create this effect, to create this mosaic paper effect. Yeah, that is one way of doing it with tissue paper, and this is the other way by doing it with color printout technique, because sometimes it's happen that you are not getting the tissue paper or decoupage. Just take out a good printout, and you know what, when you are just buying the tissue paper and when you are buying say any decoupage paper, then you have that limitations that if in case you have to use that design which is only available in the market, you cannot do much with that. So this is one technique in which what you can do is, आप आराम से वो चीज़ें, कोई भी डिज़ाइन क्रिएट कर सकते हो, कोई भी डिज़ाइन ले सकते हो जो easily ऑन गूगल इमेजेस में अवेलेबल है. एंड देन अगेन दिस वन मोर थिंग व्हाट यू कैन डू इज, इफ यू आर डूइंग अ लॉट ऑफ पेंटिंग, सो व्हाट you can have your own painting ka print out and to create some decoupage effect. Even that looks very pretty. So that is one way. इसलिए मैंने आप लोगों को प्रिंट आउट पेपर लेने ही बोला है, क्योंकि देन यू डोंट हैव टू लाइक, यू डोंट हैव दैट लिमिटेशंस कि इफ वी डोंट हैव दैट पेपर देन व्हाट टू डू, because you can color printout are easily available nowadays, so it's like very easy for everybody out. And then because if you don't have that decoupage paper available at your paper, tissue papers are very thin. Yeah, you can do do you want okay, tell me how many of you want me to take decoupage with tissue paper? If it is more than 15 people, I'll take it. Now as you already have the Mod Podge glue, so if you don't want if you want me to take it with tissue paper, I'm ready for that. Tell me how many of you want me to take it with tissue paper. Okay. If it is more than 15 people, I can surely arrange one class for you. Dipti, for this particular session, I cannot show you with tissue paper. But if you want for the tissue paper, I can arrange one workshop for you only with tissue paper also. बाहर जो अपना बॉटल पड़ा है ना टिश्यू पेपर वो लेकर आ जाओ. I can show you. Yeah, Nisha, for that is one big surprise. I told you, for that you have to stay connected till the end of the session. I'm gonna tell you, if you don't have Mod Podge glue, what you can do. I'm definitely going to tell you that. And I'm gonna tell you a difference also, what all difference is there. If you are using Mod Podge glue and if you are making a Mod Podge glue and getting the effect. Okay, now if you can see, I just created this effect for this particular portion. This was my lid, and this is my lower portion. So I have not done the entire thing here. I have just done the portion which is after closing the area which I am getting. I have done only that portion with the mosaic thing. So here what I have done is I have just cut it into rectangle shape. I have just taken out the strips and I have just placed it like this to get this. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take this Mod Podge glue and I'm going to coat this here. It's in center only, darling. It's going side kya? Okay. Now it's okay. I'm taking my Mod Podge glue here and very good amount, just coating it here. The cheapest Mod Podge I have ever got is this Fevicryl Mod Podge. You don't need to add anything to it. Is my camera okay now? the same way I'm going to apply it here also. See, a very good amount of Mod Podge. Yeah, the only thing is it's very sticky. So आपको इसको कम से कम you have to let it dry for 3 days. आपको कम से कम 3 दिन के लिए सूखने रखना पड़ेगा. Then only you'll get that nice effect. Otherwise it's little sticky. It tends to stick here and there, and then your paper might peel off or tone off. So what you have to do it, let it dry for at least 3-4 days. The similar way I am going to do this portion also. Am I clear to everyone? I have just left this portion because I am not able to hold it properly. It's little white right now. It will dry completely and okay. So do you have any question you can ask me? I'll just answer. Meanwhile, I'll just show you ये पूरा सूखने के बाद कैसा इफेक्ट आता है. Always remember to clean your brush once you are done. These brush are again it's very amazing brush because it is used for painting, for doing decoupage, for doing a lot of number of things, and it lasts also for years and years if you keep it properly. Wash it properly and keep it properly. Okay. So again, the announcement for the people who are new to the group. If you are giving me 5 submissions, you are eligible for one of my paid course for free. अगर आप 5 submissions मुझे on time देते हो, अगर if you are giving the submissions later, it is not considered. I'm really sorry. आप लोग कभी भी submission दो considered. Giving the submissions, I really appreciate that, but if you're giving submissions on time, then only you're eligible for my paid workshop for free. That too, you have to give 5 submissions. Who have joined late, it's completely fine. Those who have joined it late, it's completely fine. You अभी से आप मुझे 5 submissions दो. जो already 5 submissions दे चुके हैं, wait for the surprise. 5 submissions, 7 submissions, 10 submissions. We have a lot of surprise for you. Don't worry. Definitely those free classes for you guys, I can conduct only after Diwali. So have that much of patience, and by the time keep on learning a lot of new techniques. Again, I can just tell you the techniques. I am sitting here to tell you the technique. आपको कौन सा base लेना है, आपको किसके ऊपर करना है, that is all your own decision. See, somebody asked me for this tissue paper. This is a very old one. I did it with tissue paper. This was I don't know, कोई चीज़ का ये normal metal box था, उसको मैंने thread wind करके I did this tissue paper का thing. So I'm gonna tell you this also, don't worry. Fevicol MR is used for decoupage and it is used for crackle effect. Yes, it is used for crackle effect. Before the company has launched this Fevicryl Mod Podge, we used to do our decoupage from Fevicol MR only. So first tell me if you have any question. I'm gonna show you the crackle effect also in my coming session, how you can just have a crackle effect with your Fevicol. Okay, for my Saturday workshop, a lot of people has missed this particular article. For them the surprise is, and for the people who have already attended it, so for them also we are coming again with this session, not the ring, not this light ring, but yeah, we are going to create something very beautiful on this mirror. So this is going to be our Saturday workshop. Okay. If you have any question, you ask me, and then I'll just tell you the surprise thing I was talking about. Not a surprise thing, but a small tip. See. You can WhatsApp me. Just WhatsApp me on my number. My number is 98230 Sonali, what you missed, Baba? I am not getting. See, the same way I did this entire tray also. So once it is dried, you can see there's no white thing here. Okay. Wait, Nisha, wait. I'm gonna tell you. Okay, so if you are not getting this Mod Podge, what you can do is just take your regular Fevicol MR and add a bit of water. Like, say if you are taking this one cap of Fevicol, then add just 2 drops of water to it, and then you can use it as Mod Podge. But again, there is a bit of difference in the shine. When you go for the shine, the difference is little less as compared to this article. See, this I have done with the Mod Podge in front of you, and this I have done it with Fevicol. So if you can see, the gloss is little more in this, and in this it's little less. Please WhatsApp me. I don't check my mail so much, so what you can do is you can just WhatsApp me your doubt. I'll reply on the same. So for Mod Podge, if you are not getting Mod Podge, what you can do is take Fevicol MR. Take this Fevicol MR and add a bit of water, 1 or 2 drop of water. Say in this one cap of Fevicol, just add 1 drop of or 2 drop of water and then apply it. It will give you the same effect, but the gloss will be little less. When you do it with Mod Podge, it gives you a very, very good gloss. There are so many Mod Podge again with different finish. If you can see, this has this gloss finish. So it gives you a very nice glossy effect. How to give resin effect for finishing of final pieces? You don't need to give resin effect. If you're doing it with Mod Podge, it's completely fine. You don't need to give any resin effect for that. Why do you want to give resin effect? Actually, Fevicol have one very nice product that gives you a resin thing. I just don't remember the name. I'll just let you know in my other class. That's okay. You can connect me through your laptop also, or you can just drop your question in this FB group. I'll answer you for the same. I don't check my mail ID so quick. So if you ask me some question also, I might be late answering you 2-3 days. So if you want something, you can just write, Rajeshwari. Right, you are right. It's Fevitide. Thank you so much for helping me out. रीजन पोर की जगह आप जो रीजन पोर आता है मार्केट में विथ डिफरेंट नेम्स, if you want to use a Pidilite product, it's very tight, but if you are using the Mod Podge, it is not needed at all. You can see such a beautiful gloss on this. And I really want to thank all the people here जो आप लोग इतना टाइम लेकर आते हो, लाइव सेशंस हमारा अटेंड करते हो. थैंक यू so much for that. And I'm really disappointed from the people who are there in the group and not attending my sessions. Thank you, Prerna ji. Now if you have any query, I'll just wait for another 5 minutes to solve that. Let me know. If you have any query, you can WhatsApp me or you can just text it on in the group, FB group. I'm gonna answer you for the same. नो नॉट रिक्वायर्ड कि आपका बेस ब्लैक ही होना चाहिए, आप कोई भी कॉन्ट्रास्ट कलर भी ले सकते हो. आई लाइक वर्किंग विथ ब्लैक मोर व्हेन आई एम डूइंग इट ऑन ट्रे और एनीथिंग, बिकॉज ब्लैक इज अ कलर जो सब कलर्स के साथ बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है. सो आई जस्ट यूज्ड ब्लैक कलर. इट्स नॉट कंपल्सरी एट ऑल. For Saturday session, we are again taking these flowers, not on this ring, but yeah, these flowers on a different on a mirror, and again a little bit of twist in that a little bit of twist in that thing, because I just don't want to repeat the same. So a little bit of twist. So whoever have this session, I request you all to attend the session once more. Yeah, you can take any shapes. Mosaic has no particular shape. You can just take any shapes. See here, I have just cut it into different shapes. This was a circle pattern. I just cut it into a different shape. Here I just took the squares. So it's completely your choice. For the mosaic decoupage, I just wanted to clear that there should be some gap. जब आप अपना टेरेस देखेंगे, आपकी छत देखेंगे जहाँ पे मोजाइक वर्क किया रहता है, तो वहाँ पे बीच में ये गैप्स रहते हैं. दैट इज फिल्ड विथ सीमेंट. तो द सेम थिंग आई जस्ट वांटेड टू क्रिएट ऑन द बॉक्स. सो दैट इज द रीजन दिस इज कॉल्ड मोजाइक डेकोपैच. You would have directly cut and stick that much piece of paper also for decoupage, but creating this mosaic effect was my motto today for the class. आप डायरेक्टली ये पेपर कट कर सकते थे और आप स्टिक कर सकते थे. सी यू कैन सी द डिफरेंस व्हेन आई हैव यूज्ड Mod Podge. You can see the difference in the shine. See. See, this much is the difference in shine. So when you use this Mod Podge glue, this is the difference. And yeah, it is little sticky. It takes around 3 days to dry completely. 3 days to 4 days to dry completely. Can you see the difference? And again, this is the difference. If you can make it out, it's very glossy. And when I'm doing it with Fevicol, this tray I have done it from Fevicol. This is the difference in gloss. Procedure of downloading the certificate is very easy. Once you give me the submission, this submission you have to give it on Friday compulsory. उससे ज़्यादा मैं आप लोगों को टाइम नहीं दे सकती हूँ. The submission date is Friday. And once you have given me the submission, I'm gonna send you one link on Friday or Saturday, whatever, when everybody gives me the submissions, then only I can start start issuing the certificate. So I'm gonna send you one link on your WhatsApp. You have to go there. And just put your information, your name, number and email ID, and there are 4-5 questions for your feedback. Just fill that, and then you can easily download the certificate. Those who are not joined in my WhatsApp group, I'm gonna send you the link again. Please join that WhatsApp group also, and please try putting your submissions on that WhatsApp group. It is more convenient to send the certificate link on the WhatsApp. Am I clear, guys? And thank you so much for taking out so much of time attending my session. Thank you so much for that. Chalo, bye bye. Have a nice day. Keep creating.